Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account level and any event milestones. Once done, make sure you have the 5,000 required currency and saved keys. This avoids mid-process stops. Begin the acquisition sequence immediately by enabling event timers and claiming daily login triggers. These open the only pathway. You do this because the sniper is gated by timed steps and resource thresholds. Skipping them breaks the chain. Stay focused and prepare resources before moving to the next stage. You now run the core chain. Complete missions 1 through 4 and do not skip the optional objectives. They grant the HDR core fragments. Once you have 3 fragments, turn them in at the vendor terminal tied to the event. That triggers crafting eligibility. After turning them in, immediately access the crafting bench during the 2-hour window. This is critical. The timing exists to prevent duplication, so plan your play session and party coordination to ensure you hit all steps within the window. You complete the process by assembling the HDR Sniper blueprint at the bench and inspecting its stats before finalizing the craft. This lets you abort and re-roll if options are available. If the bench fails, log out and back in. Confirm the 3 fragments remain in your inventory, then retry while the window remains active. If problems persist, check the server event status and make sure your system clock is synchronized. Often time mismatch blocks the final step. Fix that, then craft again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.